Hello and welcome to step number 3, the roadmap to the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during a session. And this step is all about starting your own passive income stream. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. So before we start, make sure to download and watch the mini course right now so I can show you exactly how people just like you are using this strategy to quickly understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during the session and improve their ways to build wealth during the session without any fear. And just so you know that you're in the right place, I want to underscore that this strategy reflects the exact course we have used to help countless restaurants, bars, technology professionals, retail industry, and work-oriented people quickly and predictably understand the significance of investing and how it can help you during the session and achieve your ways to build wealth during the session. In short, this is what is working right now. So let's dig in. So here are some problems. As you might be aware, trying to get people understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during the session and ultimately learn not to panic during the session is quite challenging. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time is a major problem for work-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology worldwide. The ways to build wealth during the session space is absolutely flooded with courses, coaches, and hype, all promising to help us get results, but ultimately only adding to our overwhelm and frustration. Just about every day, I hear the same questions from folks trying to understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during the session. How do you learn about stock and mutual funds investment? How can you control yourself from making impulsive investment decisions? What is asset allocation in investing? And countless other questions I hear all the time. The fact is, there are 3 main reasons retail industry, work-oriented people, restaurants, bars, and technology sector struggle to understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during the session. How to survive during the session is point number 1. Number 2, how to find out the best investments during the session. 3, finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Do these sound familiar? In all of my experience and talking with work-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology, I hear these 3 struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of much greater issue. The real issue is lack of clear point A to point B system that is easy to follow. A clear roadmap that's been proven to help people just like you, so that people will understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during the session in no time flat. So here is where learn to invest comes in. There are some steps that you need to take. So let's take a look at the cheat sheet. Step number 1 is the first thing people on this path have to do is all investment broker companies have their education platforms and you can get a wealth of knowledge from these platforms. So go to these platforms and get the knowledge. Step number 2. Next, we help our students think long term. Diversify your investments. Practice dollar cost averaging. Get professional advice. It's very important. And then is the step number 3. The last step in this learn to invest system is learning how those who are successful actually learn what portion of your portfolio you will invest in different asset classes. So folks, this is just step number 3 in our The Lazy Man's Way to find out how to generate income during recession. And it is the clearest and most predictable and proven course for anyone serious about doing what it takes to achieve their ways to build wealth during recession. Learn the ways to build wealth during recession and learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. I understand your stage 1 is fear. So first we will utilize our recession time system that helps folks just like you, in which people will speed up the process of reaching their financial goals by learning about passive income secrets. Next, our unique Start Your Own Passive Income Stream system ensures our clients and our students that they have many different options to choose from, starting their own passive income stream fast. And after that, people will understand the significance of investing and how it can help them during recession using our Learn to Invest frameworks. Of course, the stage 2 is Learn. The Resolve Financial Problems process will ensure that students will learn the ways through which they can create passive income source during recession. The core mechanism for ensuring they can make an effort to keep their debt to income ratio low is our Learn Survival Skills system. The last step in the Learn stage is to customize our Understand Digital Marketing process, which shows our students how to accomplish their goals with content marketing each and every day like clockwork. So obviously, stage 3, enjoy, comes here. Once you have fear and learn in practice, we will kick off the enjoy state by building out your beneficial platforms system, which allows you to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during recession fast. So next step, our course helps students put their attention on enhancing their abilities, accumulating additional accomplishments, and creating profitable hobbies so they can put all of these things in their resume. Our unique model is called the Avoid Blunders. The final step of our Lazy Man's Way to find out how to generate income during recession online course is to ensure our students are able to understand the most original idea they may apply in their daily life to generate income during recession using the Reap the Benefits system. So if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession, then download this mini course right now and go through it and learn step-by-step strategy you can follow to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession with confidence in the next 30 days. And eventually, this course will lead into the full-length course that you can access on our website. Thank you.